Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare besan ka chilla or besan pancakes, or we can even call it veg omelette. As everyone knows that besan has numerous health benefits, it is a good option for a weight loss recipe. Apart from weight loss, besan contains soluble fibers which keeps your heart healthy by keeping the cholesterol level under control. Besan is also the best home remedy to control diabetes. For those who are aiming for weight loss, this one's for you. Besan helps in faster calorie burn, so include it in your diet because it is very rich in fiber and nutrients. So without further blabbering around, let's dig into the video. To prepare an authentic besan ka chilla, we need half cup of besan. I have measured it with a katori over here. Chopped onion 1 and 2 green chilies chopped. We will be needing a bowl with a whisker and a tawa for making the chilla. In the powdered spices, I have taken half spoon of garam masala, half spoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. I have also taken 1 small glass of water to make the batter. Now we have added all the ingredients and all the powdered spices in that bowl which we had taken earlier. And now we are adding the water in small consistency like this, and with the whisker we will just mix it all well. We have to make a batter which is flowing in consistency like that of dosa. Mix it very well, and if more water is needed, then add a little bit more. Look, I am adding a little bit more. And then mix it well, check it again, and if you feel that it still needs water, then you can add more. Roughly I have taken half glass more. Now the consistency looks better to me. Total 1.5 glass of water I have used from this small glass. This is the consistency of my batter. Now my tawa is nicely heated. I have poured 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Spread it well. Then pour 1 full ladle of batter on the tawa and then spread it evenly, giving it a circular shape. If you need, you can even add a little more. Spread it like this and leave it for approx half a minute. Just keep a track on the flame. It should be on medium flame. After some time it will look like this. Pour a tablespoon of oil around the chilla. After around 1 minute, just gently flip the chilla. Pour a tablespoon of oil again on the corners, and then just let it be on the tawa for half a minute more. You can also press the chilla from the top so that it can be cooked evenly. And that's it, our chilla is ready to be served. Now we will repeat the same process for the other chillas as well. So let me just quickly cook them all and I'll be right back. Please do try this recipe at home. It's not only healthy, it's also tasty and yummy and needs very less time to be cooked. So this was today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it making it for you. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon too, so that you get updated once a new video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and eat well.